In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix DNS server isn't responding in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, we need to bring up our control panel. How we can do so? Here at the bottom search bar, please type for panel. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Please click on this open option to continue. The moment you've clicked on it, in a few moments, you would be able to bring up the control panel window, where here you need to change the view into large icons if your view doesn't look like this. So click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once done, you need to proceed with Network and Sharing Center, which is being placed at the third column next to Indexing Options. Please click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, you will be able to view your basic network information and set up connections. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please proceed with this option called Change Adapter Settings. So eventually it will show you the network adapter or the Wi-Fi that your laptop has been connecting to. So please select the Wi-Fi that you are connecting, or if you are connecting with the network cable, then select on this one. Anyway, they have similar options, then you don't have anything to worry about. So the moment you have selected on it, please make a right click and go with this option called Properties. The moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up the Wi-Fi properties, where here you need to proceed to the Internet Protocol version 4 or the TCP or IPv4, and then you need to navigate with the properties. And the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to set this one. So here you need to ensure that the IP address has been set automatically. And here in the second option, please proceed with use the following DNS server addresses, and you need to set in it into the best Google's DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. And then you need to set for the alternate DNS server, which is the second Google's DNS, which is 8.8.4 and 4. Once you've set it, please click on OK and then close the window and as well as this one and restart your computer. So we need to restart your computer in order to make any changes. So restart your computer and the moment you relaunch it again, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.